Back out with the Xtm Xt2e. I'm gonna do a 6S speed run. This is my drag gearing, but I want to shout out to Mobay 876RC. I did a question on my community and on my YouTube channel, and he answered. He said do a speed run for the next video. So this is my speed run. I mean, it's not really a speed run because I ain't really geared for one, but I figured I'd get it out here since I didn't drive this car in a minute. It's been acting funny, so I just did some adjustments to it. Hopefully she ready. So let me show you how this GPS zeroed out. Time is started. Hopefully y'all seeing that. The GPS strap broke when we was at that event the other day. So sorry about that, guys. It's just gonna be a quick little pass, man. I wanna make sure this car going straight before I actually get into it. Alright, y'all, here we come. Road clear. Car dragging on the floor. Or the body, one of them. Might have been a body. Anyway, I got 76. That's crazy. With drag gearing, I wasn't even all the way in it. That's crazy. Alright, y'all. I will show y'all on 6S, but I ain't really break no barriers. Plus, I might run it again since I only got 76 and I ain't even really get to pull it. So, y'all stay tuned for more, man. I don't got nothing. Trying to slow it down.